Teacher Sue's getting ready. It's time for math. Hi guys. So today we're gonna get out our 2 different math pages. We're gonna do this one. Hi Sergio, hi Achilles, hi Anna, hi Gio, and Jasvir. So we're gonna use this one and we're gonna use this one, okay? Because this is our skip counting one or our practice counting one, yeah? So on this one, I'm gonna go like this. Today, I'm gonna go like this and I'm gonna say, whoop, what number did I land on? 37. We need to color in 37, guys. So, on here, since you're at home, you're gonna use this one. If you were at school with me, it would look like this. I'm gonna show you, just like Teacher Jared has been showing you. It would take 1, 2, 3 to make 30, right? It would take 3 of these, and it would take, oh my goodness, you guys, how many of these would it take if I want 37? 37, we need 7 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I drop one on my foot, and 7. So on our chart, we would color in 1, 2, 3, and 7. 37. Oh, Gio, that's different. That's counting by 10s and then 100s. That would be our practicing on our counting on that. You want to practice skip counting first? You want to skip count? Okay. Sergio, on your skip counting. Let's practice 5s first, guys. Let's go ahead and do some skip counting by 5s. Okay? Are you ready? Right over here. Oh. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. I am so looking backwards, you guys, so this is making me silly. Here we go. 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. On this page, 100 would look like what? This would be the whole thing full, you guys, if we counted all the way to 100, because that's 100 units. Yes, 100 ones make 100. You're right. This could be 100 ones of these. It could be 100 of these. It could be 100 pennies. 100 pennies would make $1, and 100 of these. So now we're going to practice counting by 10s. On this one, we would count by 10s. Yes, Gio. Okay, look at this, guys. Let's point down our 10 row. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. That's counting by 10s. Counting by 10s is this way. Look at that, guys. This is counting by 10s. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. That's right. So this is like pennies. This is like dimes. Yes, Gio. Okay, guys, let's see. Let's go back to this one again. Let's pick Gio. Achilles, how many would we need if we use this one right here? 75. Oh my goodness, you guys. Can you color in 75? I'm gonna try. I would start on the first side. I'm gonna start way over here, guys. And I'm gonna color in 7 of them. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 10 sticks. 7. Right there. And then I said 5, right? We're going to do 75. So I need to color in 5 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, Gio, you're right. But right now we're asking about 7 10s. How many would 7 10s be? Yeah, 7D. You're right. This stands for 70. And this is a 5. So throw 10 in your head. 10 in your head, 10 in your head, 10 in your head. Let's start. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75. That's a big one, guys. How many more do we need before we can swap it out? How many is left? Just like on our 10 frame, we can see that there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more, guys. If we added 5 more, we could swap it and put it over here. Yes. Yes. Hi, Anna. Hi, Achilles. I know. You're doing great. Achilles looks like he's medicated. Oh, my goodness. Okay, guys, I have my magic little wipey right here. I'm going to wipe off those numbers and wipe off my coloring. When we're in the classroom, you know that we play with these too. These are, how many of these? We have, these are 110. There's 10 100s. Look at that. You're right. There's 10 of these. And that would be counting by hundreds. That would be a lot, you guys. We're not going to practice counting by that many. Not today, anyway. How about, I got to get my paper to dry. Okay, guys, let's see here. So, we need to do one, let's see, another number. Should we do another number on here? Counting by tens? This is our hundreds chart again, and you each have one, and each of these ones are colored, and that's practicing counting by twos. We don't use that a whole lot in this one because you wouldn't count these by twos. We count these by tens. 1 through 10. And these are 10 sticks, right? And it takes 10 of these, like Gio keeps yelling, it takes 10 of these to make 100. This is the same thing as a row right here. One row would be the same thing. Just like when we have our 10 frame like yesterday. Right? In 10 frame we count it on this way. On our base 10 we count it this way. In money we count it in coins. So all those ways we all equal to 10, guys. We always count up to 10 first. Good job, guys. I see you. Are you getting me a number, G? It looks like you were coloring another number. Let's see, today is October 20th. How about if we color in 20? 20. What would that mean? If we needed 20, that would be 2 of those, wouldn't it? 10, 20. 10 10/20. That sounds like the date, because today is 10/20. That's so silly. It matches, you guys. October 20 and 10/20. 10/20. That's how we started counting. Oh my goodness. So guys, on our base 10, it's just another way. Remember, like I said, we're gonna practice counting. These swap out to these swap out for these, and that's when we count all the way to 100. I see you, Serge. Sergio, show me 100 on your chart. Where's 100? Where's 100? Yeah, good job, buddy. Right down at the bottom. 100 on here would be if we had this whole thing colored in, huh? 100. It's this, you guys, if you look, it almost looks the same. This 100, if we could write really tiny, it would fill in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Look at that. It's a row of 10. It's a row of 10 this way or a row of 10 this way because it's 10 by 10. Look at that. You guys were right. And it looks just like this big square with numbers. 10 by 10. They just made it a littler square, you guys. Did you see that? We could fill them all up with numbers. It's the same thing, a hundreds chart, just like that. Oh my goodness, yes, Gio just showed us. He colored in a whole 100. Good job, G. Sergio pointed to 100 for us, and Gio colored in 100 for us. Anna, hi, sweetie. Achilles, you're doing great too. We have a few more minutes, guys. I have to figure out what else I'm going to show you. I didn't have a big lesson today because I'm so busy now that we came back to school. It's so different. We have to do so many different things. And I know that you guys are at home working so hard. I'm so proud of all of you. You're doing great. Look at that. Look at that 100. It's the same. I don't have microphone. I have 2 more minutes, guys. 3 more minutes. So let's pick another number and we'll color out another number on here, okay? How about if I went right here in the middle? How about 56? Let's color in 56. What would that look like? What would that look like? 10, 20, 30. I started on the wrong side. We're going to color in 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56. 56. Can you guys see that? Look at that. I even have a new numbers chart right there too. Oh, that light's horrible. We'll just turn that off. And then you guys get to see we have these giant plastic things to look through now. It's so awesome. There's the big 56. There it is right up there. My big numbers chart matches just like this numbers chart. Just like this numbers chart. They're all like that. Yeah. So tomorrow we're going to do money, you guys. So you make sure that your parents help you find some coins, and maybe we can have some coin counting practice tomorrow, okay? We'll show how this works for coins too. We can match pennies. We can match nickels, dimes. Oh my goodness, and then the whole thing would be $1. Just like that, guys. That's why we practice counting so many times. because it works for everything. Works for everything. We have to count. How about one more number for today? I'm going to erase this one. And I'm going to reach over here. How many did I get? Let me see. How many is that? 1. If we were counting by tens, we would 10 in our head. We would say 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and 60. That would be 6 rows. 6 of them. It's the same thing. You guys, I hear music, and that means it's time to transition.